Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can make app shortcut in Windows 11. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, you will need to access all of the apps installed on your PC. In order to do that, open the search menu from the bottom of your screen and a bunch of recent apps will open up. Inside it, click on the All Apps button at top right corner and a list of all of the installed apps will be displayed. Here, scroll down and look for the target app that you would like to create a shortcut of. Once you found it, click on it and then drag it onto the desired window. As I would like to create a shortcut on my desktop, that's why I'm placing it here, but you can just place it anywhere you want. After placing the shortcut, double click on it and the respective app will be launched. So that's basically how you can make app shortcut in Windows 11. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.